Starting it off. Let's go start off. No, you don't need to buy it. Hey! That's too fast. That's too fast. That's too fast. Time. What's this? Summon up. Oh, it goes still. Let me just blow it up. Wait, that's not enough. Wait, you don't need to blow me up. I can't. Don't try to blow me up, but it was not nice. Why would you blow me up? Oh no, I did not mean to blow it up. I deserved that, but I didn't know. You deserved you made, man. You were completely made. Turning it off. I'm turning off the lights. I don't need a job, I think. Dude, I got hurt so much. Dude, I got a repair. Yeah, you don't need any job. After 11 days, you don't need a job. Oh, I like doing a job, but I really want to do it. But maybe after 11 days, I want to do a job. Dude, it's so fun having a job. I want to see my brother. But your brother is still at work at the city. So yeah. But I said, get my brother! Okay, let me just go. What up, brother? Yeah, fun having a job. I got all the wood you want. Dime. Okay, you can keep whatever you want. Man, you need the wood. You need to build a great subway station. Dude, that's so nice. Yeah. Dude, why am I working out still here? Why is he sleeping? Shut the freak. Okay, I was so shut up and let me go. You're not even waking me up. I'm late for my job, dude. Make me mad or else. Why don't mad all the time? Because you always make mistakes like you were. They can't really do. Shut up! Great. Now I gotta deal with you. Me too. I gotta deal with you. Then go now. I don't need it here now. Try me or else I'm gonna kill my step. Do you want my driver or not waiting for it yet? I'm gonna make him loud. Whoa. Get out now or else I'm gonna make you mad. I don't want to. he gone. Dude, bye-bye. Hey, hey! Ah, I got stuck. Dude, I got stuck. I hate this game. I hate this. Not dealing with another guy again. What? Let me clean up the train. Wait, wait! Ah! Dude, you're already here? I don't want to deal with you. You must stupid, ugly, juicing some kind of train. I'm literally a clean up train, motherfucker. My brother's been working for months. Ah! Where my brother at? Dude, I'm seeing you fail again. Dude, I just want to see my brother. I'm really old, dude. I'm like 7 years old. My brother's literally 8 years old. I'm literally 7 years old. And you haven't seen my brother yet? Dang! I can't deal with you now. Okay, he'll be here in 5 months. 5 months? Are you serious? You're the craziest guy ever. I'm gonna deal with you. Be careful of the bridge. He broke it again? What a great bottom brother. Okay. We just fixed this for a while. Oh, what a great music. I'm gonna just play. I'm gonna just try to. Easy work, no react. Easy work. I don't have wheels anymore. I don't need any wheels. Haha. Start being stronger. I want my brother to know he thinks I'm dead. Hey, brother, what do you think of my new look? Wait, where's my brother at? Wait, he's gone, damn boy. Oh, my brother is here. Let me just go backwards. Oh, my brother's not here. Ah! Be a ghost, but I don't want to. You need a man. Shut the freak up! Upcoming rain. What about what? I should have not done that. I'm going backwards.